Lovebirds, Hauser and Mariavessa together again and spending a lovely time and some amazing picture of the Hauser and Mariavessa she uploaded on his official account. They are looking amazing. So guys, enjoy the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hauser and Mariavessa together again and the lovely picture she uploaded on his Instagram page. And the amazing picture of the Stephen Hauser. Mariavessa, she arrived in London spending a lovely time and enjoying a vacation. And she uploaded a beautiful picture. I think Stephen Hauser is also arrived and they are together in London and enjoying amazing and beautiful moments, vacation and some romantic dates. And wow, absolutely an amazing picture of the Mariavessa and Stephen Hauser. Lovely and amazing picture. They are together again. The lovebirds are together again. Love story never ended and they are together and enjoying a lovely and beautiful days, sunny days, summer vacation. So beautiful and amazing picture of the Stephen Hauser and Mariavessa together again in London. They are spending a lovely time in London. So guys, this is the beautiful video of the Stephen Hauser and Mariavessa. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.